Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. This is my Storypedia. Welcome to another video. Today I will discuss in this video what is financing. What is financing? I will discuss in this in the previous video what is um, life insurance policy, etc. But today I will discuss in this video what is financing. Financing is defined as the management of money, includes activities such as investing, borrowing, lending, budgeting, saving, and forecasting. There are three main types of financing: personal and corporate and public government. This guide will unpack the question what is financing. So I have know that financing is defined as the management of money and includes actives such as investing, borrowing, lending, budgeting, saving, and forecasting. Example: the easiest way to define financing is by provide example of the activities in it includes. There are many different career paths and jobs that perform a wide range of financial active. Value is list of the most common example, such as investing personal money. Investing personal money is stock, bonds, or guaranteed investment certificate (GICS). Borrowing money from institutional investor by issuing bonds on behalf of a public company. Lending money to people by providing them a mortgage to buy a house with using Excel spreadsheets to build a budget and financial model for a corporation. Saving personal money in a high interest saving account, and developing a forecast for government spending and revenue collection. Financial topic. There is a wide range of topics that people in the financial industry are counted with. Value is a list of some with the most common topics you should accept to encounter in the industry. Interest rates and spreads, yield, coupon payments and dividends, financial statement, balance sheet, income statement, cash flow statement. Cash flow, free cash flow, other types of cash flow, profit, net income, cost of capital, WACC, rate of return, IRR, ROI, ROA, and dividends and return of capital, shareholders, creating value, risks and return, behavior financing. Source of financial information. To learn more about the industry, there are some of the most popular and helpful sources. Google Finance, market data, stock price, news, etc. The SEC website, company links, Bloomberg news company and industry news. Financial careers. A edition of finance would not be complete without exploring the career option associated with the industry. Value are some of the most popular career paths. A commercial bank, personal banking or private bank, investment banking, wealth management and corporation, corporate finance, mortgage, lending, accounting, financial planning, trustee, audit, equity research and insurance. I have already in the previous video what is insurance. I have in the previous video what is insurance and insurance topics, additional financial resource to continue developing and preparing for a career in the field. This additional CFI material will be helpful. Free cooperator finance fundamental course, types of financial model, interactive career map, compensation salary guide, the analyzed traffic and guide, more question and answer. CIS mission is to help anyone become a world class financial analyst and has a world ranks of resource to help you along the way. In order to become a great financial analyst, below are some additional question and answer for you to example further. What are the types of financial models? What is sensitivity analysis? What is book banking? What is the most common valuation? So guys, I have discussed in this video what is the financing and how to money income, additional financial resource, more question, and if you like this video, please thumbs up and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.